Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. This one has little under 20,000 miles on it. Absolutely awesome. Manual transmission, Autobahn trim. 2 leafs come with it. It is in absolutely awesome shape. Go. Sunroof. There we go. Stated before, this is the 6-speed manual. Of course, based very closely around the GTI. GLI uses the same powertrain and is really, in my opinion, underappreciated because everybody tends to go for the GTI. When in reality, the GLI is just as good. It's just so playful around corners, darting through, or acceleration, I mean. Darting from corner to corner, it is just so good. Driving the car for about 20 minutes, I've already kind of perfected, well, not perfected, but gotten the heel toe down. Very easy to heel toe, or I should say rev match downshift, because I don't really do heel toe too much. Whereas I'll just blip the throttle on downshifts. I've gotten many people say, oh, why do you do that? It's pointless. Like, my dad doesn't believe in it. But in all honesty, it helps the synchros out, and it just creates the situation where you don't have to worry about driveline shock from releasing the clutch while the RPMs are still way off. There we go. Now I'm getting second gear down. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.